I'm Ray Garvey for American Pools and Spas again. Welcome back. Congratulations to new clients and old friends. Here as we approach the dog days of summer in Central Florida where temperatures can get hot on a daily basis, a lot of us are going to be pondering the question, do I have a pool leak or is this standard evaporation? Luckily, there's something called the bucket test. So before you call that pool service repair tech, there's 3 items that you currently have in your home that are going to make this task easily accomplished. A 5-gallon bucket, a roll of masking tape, and a shop pencil. There's also 3 things that I'm going to need to make sure that you do before we start the bucket test. You're going to want to make sure that your pool pump and filter are set to off at the equipment panel. If you have any water features such as deck jets, bubblers, or water bowls, those are also going to be set to the off position. And third, make sure that any children or pets are going to steer clear of the pool for up to 24 hours to accomplish the test. So, if you can indulge me, follow me and we're going to get right to it. All right, everyone. So we have that 5-gallon bucket, masking tape, and the shop pencil that we gathered before. The question is, what do we do now? With that 5-gallon bucket, I filled it up with pool water about 1 inch from the top. And with that masking tape, you can see I put it right on the water's edge, on the inside of the bucket and on the outside of the bucket on that first step. So with the shop pencil, make a little hash at the top of the water line, another one on the outside of the bucket. Now again, your pool pump and filter have to be set to off. All of your water features need to be set to off. Keep children and pets away from the pool for the 24 hours. And unfortunately, if it rains, we're going to have to restart the test. But let's say that we had a clear night. We come back tomorrow. What are we going to look for? We want to see a drop from the inside of the bucket to the outside of the bucket that's going to be more or less equal. If we see more than 1/4 of an inch discrepancy that the outside of the bucket is lower, that's going to be something that may want us to contact a pool leak detection specialist. If you enjoyed this video, please feel free to check out more at american-pools.com or find us on YouTube at American Pools and Spas. Feel free to give us a thumbs up or smash that subscribe button. Thanks for joining us again for American Pools and Spas. I'm Ray. Have a great summer.